Hi there, this is Ben with Easy Mode Media. First of all, thank you for taking the time today to fill out one of my ads. I do appreciate that. I know your inbox and your socials get spammed every single day with marketers, but I promise you this video is going to be different. So, if you're serious about growing your solar company and want to speak to a marketer who truly understands the solar industry, if you're tired of chasing around marketing agencies who don't actually care about your bottom line, about your ROI, then you need to watch this video. I wanted to put this video together today to show you real solar marketing results and how I've helped solar companies just like yours do the exact same thing countless times. So, who am I? Well, my name is Ben McLaughlin. I'm a qualified electrician of over 15 years. I then went from being an electrician in multiple countries to marketing solutions specifically for solar companies. So, over the last few years, I've spoken with over 458 owners of solar companies around the world. That has led me to develop my process I call systematic solar leads. That is a done for you process that generates real leads, exclusive leads, and I do guarantee that. We offer an exclusive service for solar companies. So that means we only work with solar companies just like yours. And that's exactly why I bet on myself with a money back guarantee. We take it one step further than any other marketing agency you've spoken to. We report on qualified leads and show you exactly how people found your business, how they contacted you. So you can see what really does work and what we're doing works for your business to generate more leads. So don't take my word for it. Here's a bunch of actual results and data from past campaigns. On average, solar clients of Easy Mode Media see $457,886 of added monthly revenue, equaling 741% increased revenue from marketing. On average, that's about 86 qualified leads every single month. Typically, our clients go from around the $73,000 to $541,000 in monthly revenue. That's about a 29.6 return on investment after a 12-month campaign. We've helped companies break into commercial solar in their area, expand into multiple locations, and basically we handle their lead generation so they don't have to worry about it anymore. So if you want to read more about our results, you can go to easymodemedia.com/results and you'll see a bunch of case studies. You can click into this and read more about the specific case study. These are real results from real solar companies just like yours. We can help you, but only if you take the time to book a call and actually show up ready to grow your business. If you're not ready to grow your solar company, then this isn't for you. I only want to work with owners who are serious about growing. So if that's you and you're ready to get started, then book a call today and you'll speak directly with me. I'll show you case studies, real data from past solar campaigns, and give you a guarantee plan of how we can grow your solar company month over month, year over year. So if that sounds interesting, book a call today and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.